Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now all the fuses will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot behind this plastic cover. Okay, I will try to turn on the flash on my phone. So to remove the cover you just want to pull it straight towards yourself. And now you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. As you can see, on top of the cover there is also a small fuse diagram which you can use to locate any of the fuses. To remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So you want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover, this small white piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's located in the top left corner at the slot number 1, and this is the 30 amp fuse responsible for power to the left driver's side power window. Fuse number 4, which is just below it, is also a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to the passenger power window. Next fuse worth checking, it's a fuse number 41, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located here, responsible for power to power windows. And the last thing worth checking, it's a 30 amp circuit breaker located in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much everything. Hopefully one of these will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, then you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking towards power window switches, electrical connections and the wiring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.